Hello friends, welcome to Speak Up English Academy. In this video, we will discuss Sarah's love for BTS Army. Discovering BTS. Sarah was an ordinary girl with a love for music. She enjoyed listening to different genres, but one day she stumbled upon something special. It all started when her best friend Lisa showed her a music video by a Korean band called BTS. The video was colorful, energetic, and full of life. The members of BTS danced with perfect synchronization and sang with passion. Sarah was captivated. She had never seen anything like it before. The song was called DNA and its catchy melody stayed in her head for days. Sarah decided to learn more about BTS. She found out that BTS is a 7 member boy band from South Korea. The members' names were RM, Jin, Suga, J-Hope, Jimin, V, and Jungkook. Each member had a unique personality and talent. RM was the leader and known for his deep voice and excellent rapping skills. Jin was the oldest and loved for his charming looks and sweet voice. Suga was the quiet rapper with a genius for producing music. J-Hope was the bright and cheerful dancer. Jimin had a soft voice and was an incredible dancer. We had a deep, soulful voice, and Jungkook was the youngest, known for his all-round talent. Becoming a fan. Sarah started listening to more BTS songs. She loved their music because it was different from anything she had heard before. BTS sang about important topics like self love, mental health, and chasing your dreams. Their lyrics were meaningful and inspiring. One day, Sarah joined a fan club online. The fans of BTS called themselves Army. They were from all over the world and shared Sarah's love for the band. Sarah felt like she was part of a big family. She made new friends and learned more about BTS through them. Sarah's room soon filled with BTS posters and merchandise. She watched their music videos, live performances, and interviews. She even learned some Korean phrases to understand their songs better. BTS had become a big part of her life and she was proud to be an army. A life changing experience. The highlight of Sarah's journey as a BTS fan came when she got tickets to their concert. It was her first time seeing them live and she was beyond excited. The concert was an unforgettable experience. The energy, the music, and the connection between BTS and their fans were magical. During the concert, Sarah realized how much BTS meant to her. Their music During the concert, Sarah realized how much BTS meant to her. Their music had helped her through tough times and made her happy. Seeing them perform live was a dream come true. She sang along to every song and cheered for each member. When the concert ended, she felt a mix of happiness and sadness. It was night she would never forget. Spreading the love. After the concert, Sarah wanted to share her love for BTS with others. She introduced their music to her family and friends. Some of them became fans too. She wrote about her experiences as a BTS fan on her blog and social media. She wanted the world to know how amazing BTS was and how their music could change lives. Sarah also participated in charity projects organized by Army. BTS and their fans often supported important causes and Sarah wanted to be part of that. She donated to different charities and volunteered her time to help others. Being a BTS fan was not just about the music, it was about making a positive impact to the world. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more engaging English lessons. Happy learning and until next time, goodbye.